RAC Insurance Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you hold RAC Insurance, the app promises to make managing your policy simple, but does it deliver? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking insurance apps are clunky. With RAC's app, you can view your policy details, manage renewals, and access documents instantly. It also provides easy contact options for claims or roadside assistance, which is a huge convenience in emergencies. Another advantage is real-time updates. The app sends reminders for payments, policy changes, and upcoming renewals. You can also track claims status and receive notifications when updates occur, reducing the stress of waiting on paperwork or phone calls. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional crashes or slow loading times, especially when uploading claim documents. Not all claim types can be fully managed through the app, so complex issues still require contacting customer service. Additionally, certain policy adjustments may only be possible via the website or phone. In conclusion, the RAC Insurance app is a practical tool for everyday insurance management. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines access and updates, it doesn't replace full service for complex claims or adjustments. For policyholders seeking convenience, quick access, and peace of mind on the go, the app works well. Keep in mind that major changes or detailed claims may still need traditional channels.